Basic Math, Chapter 15, Section 6. Problem solving, 2 parts. Some word problems are solved by working on one part at a time. For example, Marlene bought 2 kilograms of flour. She used 250 grams of flour on Saturday. On Sunday, she used 50 grams. On Tuesday, she used 300 grams. How many kilograms of flour are left? So step 1 with a word problem is always to read it. Whenever you get a word problem, make sure you read the whole problem. And then what do you need to find out? You need to find out how many kilograms of flour were left. But first you need to find how much flour Marlene used. So make a plan. What do you need to do? Add to find how much flour Marlene used at first, then subtract to find out how many grams were left. And then step 3 is then do that plan that you thought of, follow through. First, add up what she used, that's 600 grams. Then you're going to subtract that, and you can change the 2 kilograms to 2 grams, or 2,000 grams, I mean, because it takes 1,000 grams to make a kilogram. So 2,000 grams minus 600 grams leave us with 1,400 grams, or that's also equal to 1.4 kilograms. Does the answer make sense? Is your answer less than what Marlene started with? 1,400 grams is less than 200 grams. Yes, that makes sense. She certainly wouldn't have more flour after she used up some flour. So she has less flour. That makes sense. So let's make sure to read these problems, answer the questions under plan, and then do the plan to solve the problem. The vocational school is building a new 400-meter running track. The first day, 130 meters of the track were laid. The second day, 110 meters of the track were laid. On the third day, 90 meters of the track were laid. How many meters of the track are left to lay? So we need to know how many more meters of the track are left to complete a 400-meter running track. First, we need to find out how much has been built, so we can add up. We've got 130, 110, and 90. So it looks like 330 meters were built, and we were trying to get to 400. So what's the difference between what was laid and what we need to get to find out how much is left? The difference is a subtraction problem. So we have 70 meters of track left to lay. How many meters were laid in the 3 days? 330. How many are left to lay? 70. There's more practice in your workbook for Chapter 15, Section 6. So please give that a try, and of course, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.